Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer the ownership of your Discord server. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. So the first thing is you want to open up your Discord on your PC or doesn't matter in your mobile. Just open up your Discord. Once you open up your Discord, go to the server which you are leader of. Now in order to transfer your Discord servers, ownership, you need to be the leader of the Discord server. Once you're in the Discord server whose leader you are, you want to click on the Discord name at the top of your screen. Once you click on the name, you want to click on where it says server settings. From inside server setting, what you want to do is scroll all the way down and click on where it says members. Once you click on member, it's going to show you all the member of this Discord. I'm the leader of the Discord, so I have the permission to transfer my, leader position. So to do that, I need to choose someone. So let's say I want to transfer this Discord's ownership to Nikesh. I can click on the three dot right beside his name and click on this option called transfer ownership. If I click on transfer ownership, it's asking me, do I agree to the terms and service? So I need to just turn this on and click on transfer ownership. Once I do that, the server's ownership will be transferred to Nikesh, my other friend. And remember, if you transfer your server's ownership, that person will be the owner of the server. And you cannot undo this until and unless that person decides to give you the, ownership title back. You cannot get it. So if you're sure you want to give the person the ownership, then only do it. Because if he's the owner, he can delete the server as well. He has that power to do that. So I hope you understand how you guys can transfer ownership of your Discord. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.